Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time being here, thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe. We sure appreciate it. And today we're going to continue on our turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month on using Clickbank. And what we're doing here is we're running an experiment to see how long it will take us to start creating revenue, recurring revenue, just using the Clickbank free site and the offers inside there, and MLGS, which is a lead generation tool that I personally use and a lot of high ticket affiliate marketers use to get tons of leads every single day so they can send their offers. So let's go ahead and go. Well, today is day 14. So let's go ahead and go and check out our Clickbank, see what kind of results we're looking at, which we do every day just to go see. Get into our account. Actually, we're going to run this here. Okay, so today you can see we've added another over 100 clicks to our link. So still doing their job. This is still growing. 53 to our order form, which I don't think that has changed. I'd have to go back and look at the last video, but I think that is right close to what it was yesterday. Now, we haven't sent our emails out today, so we're going to send those out today. And then tomorrow we'll be able to see if we do get people go to our order form and if we get any sales yet. Now, this is only 2 weeks in. So this is actually really good stats for a brand new system and a brand new running a brand new business. So we're creating our leads, we're getting them in there, and they're seeing our offer. Okay, statistics will show that people need to see your offer at least 7 different times before they're interested enough into making a purchase. So we should be getting into that point, but we are, as I said, dumping new leads in here every single day. So it's going to stagger. Okay. All right. So that's what it looks like today. Let's go ahead and go into our mailing system right here. Now we're going to start with our first account, as always. And you're not going to touch any of these because you just don't need them. And, you know, if you want to use this for another business, you absolutely can. I have a ton of email swipes saved for Make Money Online that I use for other businesses. So if you're interested in those, just send me a message or send me a text message. My number is below. Send me a text. Don't buy these because I already have them. And if you do want these, I can provide them to you if you want to give this a shot. But this would be for, say, one of the other systems that I run. This would be for this system, which I've got emails for this. I've probably got 80 or 100 emails prepped and ready to go for running this system. And then also I have some for this system. The $20 into a full-time income in under an hour a day. So I have tons of emails for those. I'm willing to share them, no big deal. I've just collected them. And so if that's something that you would be interested in, just let me know. I'll give you access, or I'll send you a file, or however you want to do it. It's fine. All right, so let's go ahead and start with our special email series for this this offer on Clickbank. And these are different emails. These are pre-written, they are ready to go. And there is a link under this video to a Google Doc that has these already wrote for you. You just have to change some of the coding. You have to change your name, and then you would change out my link to your link because my link is already in here in the emails, and you just need to change that. Other than that, they've all been gone through, checked spelling, grammar, everything should be good to go, unless I missed anything, but they should be ready. So let's dive right in. I'm going to go to our mailing system. And here you can see we're mailing to almost 3,000 leads on this one account today. So 2,900 is going to go out to this account. I'm going to grab our subject line from the doc right there. And then down here, as always, we'll go and grab our email. And I've already got these links pre-installed on this one. So I'm just going to use them. And of course, I'm going to change to my name. You change to your name, and then you need to change the short code to this short code here. And comma, and then I like to take off the bold, and then I go back and I like to bold just where my link is going to be. And in this one, I think we'll just make it a little bit bigger. And maybe see what 16. 16 looks pretty good. So it stands out because we want people to see this, right? We want it to stand out. This is where you click. That's what we want them to know. So we'll go into click perfect timing all the time. And now this is ready. So I'll show you here. There's my link. My link's in there, ready to go. It's got a tag, so I know where the leads come from for tracking. And this is ready. So we'll make one quick double check. That's all done. And I'm just going to grab this for our next account. So Control C to copy and send. Now we're going to do this 4 more times, and then that'll be it. Our job running this portion of this business is done. So log out, log in to number 2. Mailing system. So this one, we're sending 1,500 emails out. It's good, perfect timing. Need our subject line. Control V. Come down here, grab our email. Control C to copy and send. All right, we'll go to our next account. So we'll switch tabs, then log out. And then we're going to log into number 3. So again, mailing system, select all. We're sending to 1,500 on this account. Grab our subject. And then we're going to grab our email, Control C to copy and send. There we go. That's gone. So we go to our next tab. And then we're going to go to our next account. So log out and log into number 4. Mailing system. Okay, 1,500 on this account. Control V to paste. And then we're going to grab our subject line. Control C, Control V. We're going to grab our email. Control C. And send. So easy, quick copy, paste. Doesn't get much easier than this. And you will see we will start making sales from this. So mailing system. So this account is going to go to 2,200. Okay, perfect timing. Go pull our subject. And this is ready to go. So there we go. And we are sending to, close to probably close to 10,000 leads today with the 5 accounts. So that's, not bad for about 10 minutes worth of work. It works out pretty good. So now you can go do whatever you're going to do for the rest of the day. If this is the only thing that you're doing. Now, if you're going to be making your money online, then you want to have several different ways of doing so. So that's why we started this series. This is an additional way of making some income on the side. Now we run our main programs, which is this one. And we also run this one, which is a savings program. And it also, it pays pretty good commissions also. Now this one pays 80% commissions and is recurring. This one pays 50% commissions, 50% bonuses, and is also reoccurring. And then we've got some more down here and some more traffic and some more instructional videos down here. That's it. So not only this, we also do some trading. I am going to put some videos up with some of the trading. We do some trading with gold, a gold trader, and we do some trading in foreign exchange. We do that all automated, so we really don't need to know a lot about it, but we are able to learn as we go. So the trades are working for me in the background all the time, and that's easy money. It just brings in money every single day. Haven't had any losses in those, so that's nice. So I will be putting something in here in my channel about those, so keep an eye out for that. So make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss those coming up if you're interested in going that route to making some money on the side and turning that into a full-time income, which you can easily do. So that concludes today's video, guys. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it. And we will see you on the next one.